tell me, y'all. Just tell me, am I going to have to cuss out the mailman or what? Look at my box. It's all beat up. Did he throw my box? Okay. Anyway, Shein just came out with a brand new line of lace front wigs. Yeah. And this is their 13 by 6, 24-inch, 180% density. Okay, okay. It's natural and it is curly wavy. Let's see what she looked like. I did peek. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so it comes with their standard wig cap and some great instructions on how to properly take care of and clean the wig. So let's see what we got. Oh my God, it's so soft and fluffy. Yes, yes. Oh, okay. She ain't doing it, y'all. First off, highlight. It comes with baby hair. Oh, okay, okay. So this is what she looks like in the inside. It comes with your standard combs, one in the back. Oh, okay. Oh, one in the middle and one on each side. I thought it had like some extra combs. I was about to say they really doing it. Okay, let's see what we can do with her. And this is how she looks. Super bouncy. Ooh, it's so soft, y'all. I know y'all can see how it looks. Super sound, super bouncy. All right, let's see what it do. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and then I washed it and conditioned it. And now I'm looking stupid. Okay, basically I just did a fail. So I pressed record and I spent around and showed myself with the ball cap on. Then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off all the excess lace. And next thing you know, my phone goes off. I'm like, what the hell? So apparently I had the camera on and not the video. So I already cut off that part. Now I'm getting ready to put the wig on. Every video can be perfect. I don't make it up. So here's a quick hack. So you see my cap is like extremely dark. They had like too light, too dark. It was just all wrong. But anyway, so I got the dark ones, and because this is so dark, it alleviates the need for so much makeup on this area. However, I did take this and kind of like do like this in the inside of the lace. But other than that, you're pretty much not going to need any more. So here she is, ready to go. And I just put a little bit. See? Ooh, I got this ball up here. Let me cut this ball. Last time, girl, I forgot to cut like this little ball up here. And I was like, why do I got a knot in my head? So I'm going to cut this shit off right now. Don't worry about that. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I had to like literally cut like a big old chunk out of this wig. It fit perfect now. It's like super tight. Look, it's real good. But I could put like my whole entire fist under this wig. That's how big it was. Y'all know I got a little pea head. So to see that video on how I sized it, stay tuned. See? So because this part takes the longest to dry, I always put glue right here first, and then after this start drying halfway, then I go ahead and do this part and put a little bit more right here. So as you can see, I just did two quick ponytails. Two quick ponytails, did a little baby hair. I didn't really put any holding spray or anything like that on my ponytails. because I didn't want it to have that hard look. So the only thing that I use is a little bit of like curl activator, and I always put a little bit close to the roots just to make it look a little bit authentic, even though everybody know, I'm sure, that this is not my hair this long and this curly and this cute. But you know. So yeah, that's what I did. So if you like this style, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think.